Okay, this is a short video tutorial on adding alt text. Alt text are image descriptions for screen readers for the visually impaired. You can do this on the web, you can do this for interactive PDFs, for regular PDFs that you create with InDesign. So the first thing you want to do is need some images in your document, obviously. Once you select an image, make sure you have it selected, not something else. So there we go. You get your image selected, you go to the Object menu, you drop down to select Object Export Options. When you select that, this menu will pop up and you need to adjust the default setting to Custom. You now have an empty text field where you can write your alt text. Note the suggestions, the best guidelines and practices for writing alt text. Keep it to 1 to 2 lines. They don't have to be complete sentences. Only describe the key elements. So to think about that, ask yourself, why did you choose this image? What's important about it? That's all that needs to be in there. No image of or picture of, you don't have to say that. It knows that it's an image. Do describe whether it's a logo, an illustration, a painting, a photo, or a cartoon, which I didn't do in this example. I should say that it's a photograph. Don't duplicate nearby text. So if you were doing this on this presentation deck, I might want to identify this woman as the singer and comedian Bridget Everett. If I was doing this on a website for one of her concerts, it would already have that information on there, so I wouldn't need to repeat it. And be sure to use periods at the end of each of your phrases or lines.